Hello again and welcome to Tenalytics YouTube channel. I am Esiogena Brima, and in this video, you'll be learning how to use GoalSeek, one of the what-if analysis tools here in Excel. Let's jump right in. So first thing, what is what-if analysis? So it's basically just a set of tools in Excel that allows you to explore by changing different values in your worksheet and then observing the resulting changes in calculated values. Yes, this might sound so complex, so gibberish right now, but we'll be having a walkthrough in Excel because that is how you will understand this. So in simple terms, it is the process of changing values in cells. In a cell, let's say cell A1, B1 in Excel, and then you will now observe and see how is the changes that I'm making affecting the outcome of the formulas I have in my worksheet. So that's basically just what-if analysis. And as I mentioned, it might seem unclear, but the thing with Excel is as you practicalize, it's going to get clearer. Now, moving forward, what is GoalSeek? So that is just one of the tools you have under what-if analysis. So it is used when you know your results. As the name says, GoalSeek, you have a target value, you have a total sales, total profit, net income, total number of orders. You have that final value, that final goal, that target, but you really do not know how to get there. So your GoalSeek is useful when you know your target or your goal, and then you want to determine input values that will help you achieve that target goal required. All right, so we've had an overview of the definitions. Let's jump right into Excel and have a practical session so this will be clear for you. Now, let's start with the first example. Let's say you are enrolled for Tenalytics program, and then you have different course sections, that's Excel, Tableau, SQL, and Python. So for you to graduate and then become a certified data professional, you have to obtain, let's say, an average pass mark of, let's take it at 75. So for you to graduate and receive your certification as a professional, a certified data professional from Tenalytics, you need to get an average of 75 grade across all of your course sections. So you can see, if I look at this value now, it is the average. Let me double click on this. It is the average of all of the grades you get from your different course section. So what I really want to know, or what you would want to know as a student, is what grades do I need to get in Python to achieve this corresponding pass mark of 75 so I can graduate and then get my course certification. So all you have to do, come to your data tab, then navigate to what-if analysis and click on GoalSeek. So you can see set cell. This is the cell that contains your calculation. You know, initially, if we go back to our definition of what-if analysis, it's the process of changing values in a cell to see how those changes would affect the outcome of the formulas you have in your worksheet. So now, this average pass mark, this is where we have our computation. All right, so I'm going to click on this. Then, so value means what exactly is that target? What is that goal that you want to achieve? So the goal in this scenario is your average pass mark of 75. Then, by changing which cell, which of the cells did you want to work on? So that is this Python cell, because what you want to know is what grades can I score in Python, since this is the last module that I'm working on, to achieve my corresponding average pass mark of 75. So I'm going to click on this. So you can see set cell to value, and by changing cell and then click on OK. So GoalSeek is going to compute this for you. Then I'm going to click on OK. So you can see, for you to graduate from Tenalytics and then get your certification, you must score at least 79 in Python. That's your last module, for you to get an average pass mark of 75. So if I was you, I would most definitely score more than 75. I'll be aiming for 85 in my Python module. So I hope that we are clear on this. We'll be having another example right here because I feel this would bring more clarity. So in your organization, let's say at the beginning of the year, your target profit was scheduled as $3,000 for you. That's you as the sales rep, you've been taxed to hit $3,000 at the end of the year. And now for quarter one, this is the sales that you've made. For quarter two, this is the corresponding sales, and also for quarter three. And for every sale you make, the corresponding profit for your organization is 2.5%. All right. And this is the value, this is the percentage, and then this is the profit in dollars. So for this sale, this is the corresponding profit. For this sale, this is the corresponding profit. And then for this sale, this is the corresponding profit. So now your boss has asked you, they want to know what sales what's the amount in dollars? What sale do you need to make for the last quarter of the year so that you can achieve your target profit of 3,000? Note, the current profit that you have, if I double click on it, it is the sum of all of the profits that you have made. That's for quarter one, quarter two, and then quarter three. So what you want to know is, what sales do I need to make in the last quarter of the year for me to achieve this target profit of $3,000? So it's the same thing. All right, come to data tab, what if analysis, goal set, and then set cell. This is the cell that contains your formula, your computation. So I'm just going to clear this out and then click on this. Then what exactly do you want to achieve? So you want your total profit now to be 3,000 because that is your target profit for the year. Now, by changing which cell, so this is it, because you want to know how much sales do I need to make for the last quarter of the year for me to achieve a target profit of $3,000 in total for the year. So I'm going to click on this, okay? And then it computes. Then I'm going to click on okay. So if I was your boss, I would fire you at this instant. Why? Because you need to make $99,625 sales for us to achieve this target of $3,000 for this year. And we have just the last quarter left. So what exactly have you been doing since the beginning of the year? All right, so I hope we've had like an overview and we've obtained clarity on what if analysis and how to use goal set. So I hope we'll be able to apply this in our various industries or whichever scenario we find ourselves in. So cheers and see you in the next video.